Kimberly from Adult Services here at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. And today I'm going to show you how to make these nice handy little hand warmers that you can throw in the microwave and put in your pocket and keep your hands warm this winter. The first thing you need is cotton fabric, and you want it to be cotton because you want to be able to microwave it with no problems, and you can't microwave a polyester. So make sure you have all cotton, and you want to have cotton thread too, so that you can put it in the microwave. We're going to measure off 5 inches each way because we're going to make a square here, and then we're going to cut out our fabric. And you're going to need 4 squares total. Each one of these takes 2 squares, and you want to make a set. Okay, then you're going to take your fabric, these squares, and you're going to pin them together right side out. Or right side in, I'm sorry. You're going to pin them together right side in. And then we're going to stitch them together by hand. If you have a sewing machine, of course, you can use a sewing machine to do this. But basically what you're going to do is stitch around. I use a back stitch because it seems to hold up the best. But we're going to stitch all the way around except for a 2-inch gap so that we can fill it. So you're just going to do your back stitch all the way around and then trim your fabric a little bit so that you can turn it inside out. And I have one that's all the way put together, so you don't have to watch me stitch the whole thing. And you'll see that it has the little 2-inch hole, and I've already turned it inside out, or right side out. And we're going to fill it with rice. I'm going to take some rice here, and it's completely up to you, but I'm going to use a little bit of lavender in my rice so that it smells pretty, because otherwise it just smells like rice when you warm it up. So I'm going to drip a little bit of lavender in my rice, and I'm going to use a funnel, and I'm going to put the funnel in the opening here, and then I'm going to fill it up with rice. Okay, you want to just keep filling your hand warmer up until you feel that it's at a nice, comfortable fullness for you. And then once you've got it full, you're just going to whip stitch it closed. And then you have a hand warmer that you can put in the microwave for don't put it in more than 15 to 20 seconds because you don't want to burn your hands. But then you can stick it in your pocket, put your hands in your pocket, and keep nice and warm during this winter season. Thank you and have a wonderful winter.